And this is something that I would encourage every laundromat owner to do, and to be able to understand this about their business. Just kind of look at the map. Here's what I can show you about my business here is that my store is right over here. It's this green dot. And just for everybody listening, I'm showing this on the screen. So come to Jordan's YouTube channel to see this. Mm-hmm. Here's the beaches where all the vacation is going. There's no laundromats or wash and folds in this entire strip of land. There was this place, Aloha Laundry, but Hurricane Ian took them out. Ooh. And when I talk about when I talk about my 5 competitors here and everything, you can see here's 1, 2, 3, or actually this picture shows it better here. You see all these red, those are all my competitors within the area. Mm-hmm. And then here's where I saw the opportunity is that in this big chunk of the city, there's no wash and folds. So for about 10 miles here, I'm right here in the corner, but for these 10 miles, there's no wash and fold. So I was like, man, if I could market to that, because there's lots of people that would use wash and fold in this area. If I could market to those people specifically and learn how to do that, then I could find ways to sustain my business while the self-serve side of the business starts building itself up. And that's what really saved us there, was being able to do that. And the Sense app really helped with it because it brought us back to the principle of speed.